Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to start the new topic called subtraction of decimals. Yes, in the last class, we have discussed about addition of decimal numbers. Now, we are going to discuss about the subtraction of the decimal numbers. You can take page number 180. In that, the heading is given. I'm going to teach you directly from the example problem, because if it comes to the example problem, it will be more clear for you. So I have you can take page number 181 for the example number 15. Okay. I hope you all have taken page number 181, children. Subtraction of decimals. In that example problems, we are supposed to do it. Abhishek had rupees 7.45. Abhishek has how much rupees? 7.45. He bought toffees for rupees 5.30, and he bought toffees for rupees 5.30. Find the balance amount left with Abhishek. Okay, see, total amount that Abhishek is having is how much? 7.45. Correct? How much rupees that Abhishek is having as a total? 7.45. Then how much he has bought for toffees? Toffees, how much he has bought? 5.30. For that rupees he has bought for toffees. Now what is the leftover amount, which means the remaining amount? So remaining amount means what you should find, children? You should find the subtraction, right? You should do that subtraction there. So as usual, subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. Then 4 minus 3, 1. Then keep the decimal point. 7 minus 5, 2. So 2.15 is the remaining rupees that Abhishek is having in his hand. So total this much rupees he had, and for the 5 rupees 30 pice he bought that toffees. So 2 rupees 15 pice is the remaining amount, which means the balance amount that Abhishek is having. Okay, understood? Next is your 16th problem, which means example number 16. Okay, what's the question? Urmila's school is at distance of 5 kilometer 350 meter from her house. So actually this is what your Urmila's house. Okay, this is your Urmila's house, and this is your school. Okay, this is a school, and this is a house. So what is the distance between these two children? 5 kilometer 350 meter. Okay, the distance between the school and her house is 5 kilometer 350 meter. She travels 1 kilometer or 70 meter on foot, which means from here for 1 kilometer 70 meter she'll travel by walking. That means she'll travel on foot. Okay, so the rest by bus. So from here she will go travel by bus. Okay, so how she is traveling, children? Half of the way she is traveling by walking, and the remaining thing she is traveling by bus. How much distance does she travel by bus? We are supposed to find how much distance that she is traveling by bus. Okay, so this is your total distance. If you subtract from the total distance, if you subtract this 1 kilometer 70 meter, you will get the remaining bus, right? So shall we find the answer now? So total distance now is, total distance is how much from school to home? 5 kilometer 350 meter, right? Now, what is the distance by walking, children? 1 kilometer 70 meter. Can we subtract it directly? No, because it is in kilometer, this is in meter. Everything should be in single unit, like what I have told you in the previous class, right? So what's the relation between kilometer and meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. I have to convert this smallest unit to the largest unit, right? So 350 meter is equal to 350 divided by 1000 kilometer. 350 divided by 1000 kilometer. So how many things we will shift it? 1, 2, 3. You'll keep the decimal point here. So 0.350 kilometer. So this 350 meter has converted to 0.350 kilometer. Now just combine both, right? I just want to combine all the things. 5 kilometer 350 meter will become 5 plus 0.350. 5 plus 0.350 is nothing but 5.350 kilometer. So now I have converted that into kilometer. So what was the answer here? 5.350 kilometer. Now we are supposed to convert this to, right? The same way, 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer, correct? Appa 70 meter is equal to 70 divided by 1000 kilometer, correct? So how many things? 1, 2, 3. You will keep the decimal point here, 1 0 extra. Appa 0.070 kilometer. Appa 70 meter has converted to 0.070 kilometer. Now 1 kilometer 70 meter has become 1 plus 0.070. Appa 1 plus 0.070 is nothing but 1.070 kilometer. So what is the conversion now? 1.070 kilometer. Now this has also become kilometer. This also become kilometer. Now shall we subtract these two? Directly you can subtract it. 5.350, 1.070. I am just going to subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7, can we do? So we can't do. You can borrow it. So this will become 2. Here 5. So 8, 2, 4. Upper, what is the distance, children? 4.280 kilometer. She is going by bus. 4.280 kilometer is the distance that she is going by bus. Okay. See, be careful that everything should be in same unit, like either in kilometer or in meter. But when I want to make the number as decimal number, I have to convert it from meter to kilometer. Only then I'll get the decimal number. Okay, that's why I have done like that. Okay. Next you have an example number 17, right? That you can refer that. You can work out that problem in the side itself, and whether you can check whether you're getting the same answer. Okay. Example number 17, you do it by yourself. Next, exercise 8.6. We have come to the exercise sum. Exercise 8.6, first problem. What's the question? Subtract. Yes, subtract. We are just going to subtract rupees 18.25 from 20.75. So how we will write, children? Which one we will write first? This number you will write it as first, right? Appo 20.75 minus 18.25. Yes, because we are subtracting this number from this number. So this number will be written first. The second number will be the first one. Now, as usual, subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 8, can we do? No. So, 1 here. But 0 has become 10. 10 minus 8, 2. So, answer is 2.50. Answer is what? 2.50. Next, B problem. 202.54 meter from... sorry, for this problem you should write rupees 2.50 because the given unit is rupees. So the answer should always be rupees, correct? Next problem, 202.54 meter from 250 meter. Okay, 250 meter. Now, so now how you will write it, children? We have to subtract this from 250 meter, correct? Appo 250 meter is 250 meter I wrote. Next 202. 202 where you will write? Here 202.54. Here listen, in 250 there is no decimal number. So if there is no decimal number, how you will write it? 250.0. Correct? If that is there is no decimal number specifically, you will write like 5 means you will write 5.0. Correct? Likewise 250 just I wrote in the whole part. So if there is no zeros here, what you will do? You can insert. Okay, you can insert zeros like this 0.0. How many zeros you can insert it? Okay, but here there is a decimal number, so you should write it in decimal part. This number is in whole part, so you write below this. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? We have to subtract it. 0 minus 4, can we do it? No. So you have to borrow from here. Here also there is no value. Here also no value. See, once the borrowing is not possible here, borrow from here. Even the decimal point is there, no problem. You go to here. So here 4, here 9, here 9, 10. Okay. So now 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 2, 7, 4, 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 47.46 meter. See, this 0 you don't want to include it, because I told you in the whole part, if the 0 comes in the beginning, it has no meaning. Okay, up 47.46 meter. Okay, next. What is your C problem? Rupees 5.36 from rupees 8.40. Rupees 5.36 from 8.40. Now, first I'll write 8.40, then 5.36. Just borrow it because we can't do 0 minus 6. Correct? So, we'll borrow it 3 and here it will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. Rupees 3.04 is your answer. Rupees 3.04 is your answer. Okay. Next is your D problem. 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. 2.051 kilometer from 5.206 kilometer. So now first I'll write 5.206 and 2.051. Correct? Then now I'm just subtracting it. 6 minus 1 is 5. Next here 0 minus 5 can we do? No. So borrow it. 1. Here 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 1 minus 0, 1. Then 5 minus 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3.155 kilometer is the final answer. Okay, 3.155 kilometer, or you can write it down. Okay, no problem. Next is your E problem. 0.314 kilogram from 2.107 kilogram. 0.314 kilogram from 2.107 kilogram. So which one should be written first? 2.107. Yes, that should be written first. Then this one 0.314. Correct? See, this is in your decimal part, so it should be written under the decimal numbers, and 0 is in whole part, so I have written in the whole part side. Just subtract it. 7 minus 4, 3. Then here 0, here 10, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. Then here borrow 1. It will become 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Here 1. 1.793. 1.793 kilogram is your final answer, because the given units are in kilogram. So here kilometer, I wrote kilometer. Here rupees, I wrote rupees. Here meter, I wrote it as meter. Here rupees, I wrote it as rupees. Understood? Next is your second problem. Find the value of a problem 9.756 minus 6.28. Okay, just we are going to find the value of this given thing. 9.756 756. Then 6.28. Okay. I am just subtracting both the values. See, after decimal number 3 digits are here, but here after decimal number 2 digits are there. So this one is extra. So this one here we don't have any number, so insert zeros. I told you, no, at last in your right side of the decimal point, if you add any number, it has no it has no meaning. So you can add how many zeros you want. So 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 8, can we do? No. So this will become 6, this 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. So what is the answer? 3.476. 3.476 is your answer. Next, B problem. 21.05 minus 15.27. 21.05 minus 15.27. So just writing 21.05, then 15.27. Yes, just I am doing the subtraction. 5 minus 7, can we do that? No. So what you'll do, you'll borrow here. Here also not possible. Borrowing here 0. This will become 9, 1. Above 15. 5 has become 15. 15 minus 7 is what? 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 0 by minus 5. Can we do it? No. Upper 1 here. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 0. So what is the answer? 5.78. Answer is what? 5.78. See, this 0, we don't want to include it. If you want, you can include. Don't want. Okay, because I told you, if you include 0 in the front, it has no meaning. Upper 5.78. Okay, just finding the values like that. Next, C problem. 18.5 minus 6.79. 18.5 minus 6.79. Okay. Now I'm just writing 18.5. 6 here, 7, 9. 6.79. Yes. Okay. Now see, here it is a 2-digit number. Here it is 1 digit. So you can insert 0 here. Right. Here also you can insert 0, because in front of this number, if you insert 0 also, it has no meaning. Okay, just that's why I am inserting using the pencil. Now 4, here 10. 0 has become 10. 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 4 minus 7, can we do? No. So this has become 7. 14 upper 7. 7 minus 6, 1. Here 1. So answer is 11.71. Answer is what? 11.71. Next, D problem. What is the D problem? 11.6 minus 9.847. 11.6 minus 9.847. Okay. Now, just doing it. 11.6 I wrote. Then 9 will come here. 0.847. Just subtracting. Here listen, here it is a 3-digit number. Here only single digit is there. So remaining 2 digits I should insert zeros for my convenience. Next, here I should insert 1 0. Yes, in the same thing what I have done in our previous classes. When you are doing the addition of numbers, you have inserted, right? The same way we have inserted the zeros now. Now just subtracting 0 minus 7. Can we subtract like that? No. So next you go to this. That is also not possible. So from here, so it will become 5, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 8, can we do it? No. So 0, here 15. Above 15 minus 8 is nothing but 7. So you keep the decimal point. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So 1.753 is the final answer. 1.753 is the final answer for this question. Next is your third problem, which is your word problem, right? Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So he bought the newspaper as a book and he gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So we have to find the remaining amount that shopkeeper is giving to Raju, right? So what we are supposed to do now? We should subtract it, right? So first I'll write the solution here. Total amount gave to shopkeeper. Okay, total amount given to shopkeeper. Total amount given to shopkeeper by Raju. Yes, by Raju. What is the total amount given to shopkeeper by Raju? Rupees 50. Right. This is what your total amount which is given to the shopkeeper by Raju. What is the cost of the book? Actual cost of the book is how much? Actual cost of the book is rupees 35.65. Actual cost of the book is nothing but rupees 35.65. So remaining amount given by the shopkeeper. What is the remaining amount given by the shopkeeper? We have to subtract it, right? So rupees 50 minus rupees 35.65. So the total amount given by Raju is 50. So actual cost of the book is 35.65. So what is the remaining amount given by the shopkeeper is 50 minus 35. So now I am just subtracting 50, 35.65. I just want to subtract it. 50 is nothing but 50.0. You can insert one more zero, no problem. Because I told you, right, whatever zeros if you add after this decimal point, it has no meaning. Next, now subtraction. 0 minus 5 we can't do. So borrow, you have to borrow from here. So 4, here 9, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is what? What is the final answer, children? Rupees 14.35. So this is what the change which is given by the shopkeeper to Raju. Okay. So what is the remaining thing, children? 14.35 is the remaining amount which is given by the shopkeeper. Okay. As a change, we'll go to shop now. If we give some money and the shopkeeper will take the amount which you buy and remaining thing he'll give to us, right? The same way the 14.35 rupees was given by the shopkeeper. Understood? Today's class we have discussed few example problems and few exercise problem, exercise 8.6. Yes, I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.